Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to demonstrate the incredible cleaning capability of our heavy-duty wheel cleaner. Heavy-duty wheel cleaner is ideal for those situations where you've let a little bit too much time pass in between wheel cleaning sessions, or you just know that you have a particularly aggressive brake pad setup that dusts excessively, much like the pads that are on this G-Wagon behind me. This formula has been reformulated to minimize the smell of the active ingredient, but it still retains its quality of being pH balanced, non-acidic, and non-caustic, which makes it safe for all wheel surfaces, from painted wheels to powder-coated wheels, even raw mag and aluminum wheels. First, I check to make sure that the wheel is cool because I don't want to warp my brake rotors or encourage the product to dry prematurely on the wheel surface. And of course, I always put on nitrile gloves because I don't want any of that brake dust to get into my skin. It's incredibly hard to remove. After that, I'm going to rinse the wheel to get rid of any excess dirt and then spray heavy-duty wheel cleaner from the bottom up to ensure even coverage. Once I've covered the entire wheel, I'm going to let it sit up for about 3 to 5 minutes, and once it's turned fully purple, I'll have known that the active ingredient has activated with the iron ore and the brake dust, and it is safe to begin agitating to clean the wheel. After I've gone around the entire wheel, I will rinse off the excess and I'll be done. Well, that wheel is looking absolutely perfect, if not brand new. It's all thanks to heavy-duty wheel cleaner, making that extremely dirty wheel very easy to clean. Thank you for watching. For more information on heavy-duty wheel cleaner, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage. Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to clean my dad's horrendously dirty Mercedes.
Knock it off. Knock it off.